Hello, this is Asavri here. I welcome you all to investmentguruindia.com presenting weekly podcast. Let's quickly take a glance at market outlook. In previous week, the market performed quite weak. Nifty ended down by 1%, while Bank Nifty ended down by 8.26%. The global as well as domestic factors contributed to this fall. First, let's take a look at global front. The signals of global economy heading towards the recession. Second point will be the US China trade tensions, and third will be China imposing new security law on Hong Kong. All had negative impact on the sentiments of investors. Second would be domestic reasons. In previous week, we had an RBI policy where the Monetary Policy Committee reduced or cut the repo rate by 40 basis points. Now, the current repo rate stands at 4%. They also extended the 3 months of moratorium period to 31st August 2020. The third point would be the increase in food inflation. The increase in rate of food inflation was 8.6% in April. It also beat the January's estimation. Now, so far, the RBI has infused 3.2% of GDP fund, the liquidity into the market since February 2020. And the last point would be coronavirus situation. The increasing number of cases and how the lockdown gets open will also have the impact on market. It will help decide that further or future trend. Now, if we see the market range, Nifty supports at 8,700, while the first resistance will be placed at 9,500 level, and the crucial and second resistance will be placed near 9,877 level. If market surpasses this level, we may see few bullish moment. For Bank Nifty, the support will be 16,300 level, and resistance will be 17,500 level. Though the market is reacting negatively, but we can still go stock specific. Here we have two stocks for you. One is GPSL. GPSL just took the support of 50% Fibonacci retracement, where it has formed a positive candlestick pattern called bullish Harami pattern. The investors or traders can buy at current market price, while the stop loss will be placed near 177 level. And the second stock will be Biocon. The While the market was crashing or falling, this stock has been in continuous uptrend by forming higher top higher bottom formation, where the current market price is 350 and the stock is currently trading near the lifetime high, and just now had a slight correction where it has formed a positive pattern of bullish Harami. So investors or traders are advised to buy on dips with a stop loss of 325. So that's all for now on market outlook. I hope you are staying safe at your home and invest safely. Thank you.